Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Do you know what? I've just made myself a hazelnut cappuccino. It is delightful. It is so warm. Is it snowing outside? Yes, but this morning I went out to Primark and I had a good look around in there. I did vlog it, but unfortunately I am kind of at the end of a cold, so I sound a little bit nasally as I do right now. So yeah, I did vlog it. I didn't film as much as I wanted to. Do you know how long I actually spent in there? An hour and 20 minutes. I came out and I was like, what literally just happened? It was like I got sucked into a vortex. But I did buy something, so I thought I would sit down now and just film a little haul whilst I'm at it and share what I actually got. So why not? Let's just get into it. So the first things first, I picked up this bag, reusable bag. Like I said, it is snowing, and a paper bag. I was not going to cut it this morning, so I bought this Incredibles one. £2.50 for that. Just the little reusable ones that fold up into these little bags, and then you can put them in your bag, can't you? Do I have an absolute ton of these? Yes, I do. My mum also seems to collect them. At the moment, she's got a Shrek one on the go. It's awesome. But Incredibles, I love the Incredibles. I think it's such an underrated Pixar movie. I'm like, who wouldn't love that? So they do have their sales going on in there at the moment. Lots of bits of the sale. Do you know what? The store near me, the Truro store, was actually incredibly quiet given the time. I thought it was going to be really busy because obviously the sales are on, lots of new stuff coming in. I thought it was going to be really busy. Maybe because it's so cold it isn't, but I mean, things were to be had, you know. They had some good things. Now, I think this might be my first ever Primark haul, by the way. Can you believe it? Anyway, I've got to stop rambling on. Straight to the point, Chelsey. So first of all, picked up some fleece-lined leggings. These are always a good staple in Primark, aren't they? And with the weather now turning, even though it feels like it should be coming up to spring with all the new spring stuff in there, they are absolutely beautiful. A good like underlayer if you've got like jeans on, you want to put an extra layer on. I find these are great, so I just picked these up in a small. I am kind of like I'm probably more like a 12 after Christmas, like a 10 to 12 at the moment, so this fits me perfectly. It's got less indents from the hangers on there, but yeah, £5 for them, absolute steal. The main thing I actually wanted in there was a scarf, big chunky scarf, and I did find one. I really like this in October when I went, and it was £7 there. I was going to pick it up, I just completely forgot to pick it up, but it did cost me £4 today in this sale. So just a big chunky lilac scarf. I have a coat in this colour. Look, it's one of those ones that you could just wrap around your head as well. So cozy. Are you joking? But yeah, I've got a coat in this exact same colour from M&S, and I thought that's going to be working out perfectly. I also really like the colours lilac and like a butter yellow together, and I have quite a few butter yellow accessories and like bag charms and everything that I want to kind of get going. I've got a new Baby 3 plush, which is like a bag charm to go on my bag. Let me see if I've got it here actually, because I've got a whole bag of stuff waiting to go upstairs. There it is. Look at this bag charm. Look, I'm going to be like kitted right out with purple accessories. Clip that on my bag to match. But I love this. It feels great. Yeah, it's just polyester, but I mean, it's £4. What could you expect? And that will actually do its job, you know. I'm not mad at it. I was looking at one on the Oliver Bonus website. It's like a pink and yellow scarf, and do you know how much it is? 35, or it might have been 38. We'll say 35 to be generous, and that was 100% polyester anyway. So I mean, if you're going to be getting a cute scarf and it's going to be polyester, you may as well pay the cheaper price for it. So I picked up this little basic top. I thought this was really cute. It feels really nice. I figured this would be a nice little layering piece. Got in a medium, and this was £10 down to £5. Just this nice little kind of neutral colour. This here is, I think, again, just like 100% polyester. 90, oh no, it isn't. I eat my words. 99% cotton and 1% viscose. So that's actually quite a good blend. I don't know, I just really like the feel of this and I thought it was cute, so I picked that up. The medium top, trying it on, definitely a bit gapey around the boobie area. I mean, this is just an issue I have. I probably could have done with a large in this. It feels a bit tight here in like not a cute way, but like I said, I'm going to be losing a few pounds anyway because the Christmas came on. I'm going to keep it because it feels blooming lovely. Like, can you see that nice softy texture? Just, yeah, this here, it is always an issue for me anyway, but this part, that's me mince pies. It does fit better, obviously fitted wise. Yeah, it will fit better in a couple of months. I really like it though. It does feel nice, so I'm happy with this purchase still. Just, yeah, it's more of a future one. I tell you what, I did get a few nice basics in M&S as well in the sale. So I got this like long sleeve top underneath. I got a few t-shirts and stuff, and the max I paid was like £6 a piece in there, and the quality of them is insane. So another little all cotton top, 100% cotton, just long sleeve top. This was £4, just a brown colour, again just for layering. These are always so handy to have, aren't they? I just went with the small on this one. I like mine to be quite fitted. They do shrink a little bit in the tumble dryer. If you're a tumble dryer girly, then maybe size up, but if you like things to be fitted to your body, I find just getting the size smaller that I typically would, and then nice and tight, you know. Nice, that's what I like. But I like this chocolatey brown colour. They had really, really nice colours in, actually. A brown top now. This is fitting exactly as I thought it would. A little bit tight over the boobs. It's a problem that I always have, but loose around here. But I think by the time you tuck it into some more leggings or something, you're going to have a good little layering piece. £4 for a nice little thin cotton top you can layer up. Absolute barg. I like the colouring of it. Cutie patootie. They do shrink a little bit in the arms, but the hair fits okay to begin with. I know it tends to sit up there on me, but that's okay. For a good layering piece at that, I'm happy with it. Yeah, not the most flattering, but it will do. And they did start to get all the Valentine's Day stuff. I love Valentine's Day. I don't really celebrate for Valentine's Day, but I love Valentine's Day decor, especially after Christmas. You know, when you put everything away and you're like, oh, my house is so bare. I think Valentine's Day is just such a good, like, way to just make a house feel a little bit more like decorated still. As you can see, I've got nothing out at the moment, but I like to keep out like my red cushions and stuff from Christmas, like this like velvety one, and then like some of my Christmas decorations and stuff, and you could just add a few hearts in. It looks quite kind of on purpose. Anyway, whilst on the Valentine's Day thing, the reason I started on that was because I picked up these candles. I really like these, just from the Valentine's Day section. I did actually film some reels and stuff whilst I was in there, so like short form videos. They had plain pink ones and green ones, which I think would be great going into spring. I don't typically light candles like this. I literally just have them on display, put them in little holders so it looks like they're full. Nothing annoys me more than an empty candle holder, and I seem to have a lot of them around. But yeah, these were £2.50. Like I said, I don't really burn them because, well, I don't really think it's that good for you. And I just like them for display. So yeah, there they are. Cute, right? I have some candles that I literally have hauled from 2018 and I've still got them. I just never burnt them. I think they look cute. So on the same little subject, look how cute this is. This little like vest. How cute would that be? Layered over something, even just with these little sleeves poking out. For Valentine's Day, so cute. Do I think this is going to look good on me right now? No. I feel like I need to lose those Christmas pounds. I gained £8 over Christmas because I was very greedy when it came to my mince pies. I'm not going to lie. You guys know I was trying all of the mince pies from all of the shops. No regrets have been made. Let me tell you something. I'm going to get those off in no time. But I did eat a lot of mince pies. Those limoncello ones from Rachel's were insane. So I picked this up in a large. And again, it was £10 down to £5. This here feels great. But again, I'm pretty sure it's just polyester and maybe a bit of acrylic. Oh no, polyester and a bit of elastane. So 96% polyester. It has got stretch in it. I just think this will look so cute. I typically like things like this that are not, you know, too tight. This is definitely going to be too tight for me at the moment, but I just think this over a little top with the jeans, cute. What a little Valentine's Day touch. They had a ton of these in the Truro store, but this was the only size large. All the rest were like mediums, smalls, and extra smalls. So yeah, £5 for that one. I thought this top would save all those problems, but turns out the button part makes that look not so cute. But I quite like this though, with just a plain top underneath in this colour. I think that's adorable. Covers up all those lumps and bumps that I have going from my mince pies. But this is very cute. It's very soft. I think it's very flattering. It's so cutesy, so Valentine's-y, isn't it? But I think with a plainer top, kind of like the brown one that I have, I think that will look good. Just this here, there you go, in the sun. That's not really cutting it, is it? So that could be improved on. But I really like this cute little ruffly detail. I think it just needs another top underneath, doesn't it? Oh, that looks awful, but yeah, you see the vision. See the vision with it. It's cute. Kind of reminds me of the little octopus from Finding Nemo. You know, Pearl. And then the last thing I picked up were these socks. Do you see these? From the Valentine's Day range. Again, I think they had lots of strawberries and cherries and everything like that in there. Let me just open these up because I just want to see what they all look like, because I'm going to be keeping these. So these here were, how much were they? £3.50 for these. So first set, this was the one like at the front. So first pair, we have these little strawberries, and are they little flowers on there, I think? So adorable. Just poking out of your shoe over your leggings. I love that. So blue gingham, adorable. Then we have this little red with a little bit of like, what do you call this? Is it pointel? I don't know where that word's come from, but very sweet. They almost look like a little thermal. These little strawberry socks again with the little frilly bits at the top. And then this pair here, they have jam. Strawberry jam. Does say jam. Look at that. So cute. These are a bluey colour. I love them. They do kind of look like they've been dyed a bit of a different colour, don't they? They look a little bit off, but they're very cute. Look how sweet they are. It might seem, oh good dog hair, this might seem a bit crazy trying on my socks, but look how cute they look though. This is what I was talking about over leggings. The strawberry one, right? And then the red one. Oh, what a little Valentine's cutie. Look, poking out with some white trainers. So cute. Just so odd to be doing a sock try on haul, but look at this. The little gingham ones with the, ruffle bit at the top. And then these ones with the straws and the flowers. Did I ever think I was going to be doing a sock try on haul? No. Should I have hoovered up first? Yes. But look at them. Tell me that's not adorable. Final one with the little jam embroidery. There they are. These are probably my least favourite ones, but I do really like the jam. On the inside of them, there's obviously nothing on there. They are thin, obviously, as you can see my socks through them. Wait, where's my jam? Oh, there it is. So that was all I bought. Very intentional shop, as we should be shopping. But I'm thrilled with that, actually. All our pieces, I really, really like them. I found a few more pieces in there that I really liked, but they didn't typically have my size, and they were like really, really loading up the store. So I'm thinking if I go back in a couple of weeks, they might have a few things that I have my eye on. I really, really liked a pair of like mauvey purple coloured joggers in there, but again, they just had one pair of like two extra small, so that wasn't going to fit my butt. And they had a matching sweatshirt to that, which I really, really liked, so that would be a good set to keep an eye out for. And they also had some trousers in there, like they were kind of like loungewear but joggers but trousers all in one. They look like a smart loungewear, if you know what I mean, and I think that would be really good going on a flight. So I'm going to stay a little bit open-minded about them and maybe go back and try them on. I thought about buying them and then trying them on and then returning them if they didn't quite work out, but I thought no, I'm trying to be really intentional this year with my purchases. This is why I can't do no buys in January, because all the sales come out, all the new stuff, I'm like yes, but so long as you stay intentional it's fine. And yeah, I'm thrilled at that. Love these are so cute. I do adore a Valentine's Day themed thing, so I'm definitely going to get out the shops this week to go and see what Valentine's Day stuff they have in other stores, because I'm sure that that's what's replaced Christmas already, because when I went home the other day, they did already have Easter. So there's that. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in today and watching. I shall be back very soon for another video, covered in fluff already from my haul. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you didn't check out that vlog yesterday, then of course I will leave that linked down below. But with all that being said, I'm gonna go. So I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I shall see you very soon for another video.